Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day so far today. As you can see, today I am outside. I actually love it out here. It is so nice, calm, and peaceful. I know you're probably going to be hearing a lot of birds and maybe my neighbors and the road noise, like cars going by. If you don't like it, just let me know because I really do enjoy making videos out here. It's very nice. But anyways, back to today's video. Today is Friday, September 6th. 2019, which means it is time for yet another giveaway Friday. And this week's giveaway is going to be, let me show you. This is what I mail the yarn in. So it's just a little mailer. It has little kitties on it. I think it's so cute. But anyways, what's inside is going to be 3 of these Vanna's Choice yarns, skeins. Vanna's Choice, what I really like about Vanna's Choice is because they do donate a portion to St. Jude's Hospital, which I think is so great. But anyways, the yarn, it is a medium 4 yarn. It is 170 yards per skein, and it calls for a 5.5mm knitting needles and 6mm crochet hook. It is machine washable and dryable, and you're getting 3 of these. This color here is Midnight Blue. This color is Sage. And then we have this color, which is Dusty Blue. So you get 3 of those. They kind of go together pretty nicely. See, you guys probably heard that big truck that just went by my house. I'm sorry. But, so 3 of those is in the giveaway this week. And in order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be a U.S. resident, because I can only ship within the U.S. right now due to it's really expensive to ship outside of the U.S. 2, you have to give this video a thumbs up. 3, you have to make sure you're subscribed to my channel with notifications turned on. It's very important to turn those notifications on because YouTube will not put, even if you are subscribed, they won't notify you when I upload. So when I do upload the winner announcement video, you're going to want to be notified for that, because what if you win? And finally, every week I ask a question, and this week's question is, which is your favorite season? Is it spring, summer, fall, or winter? My favorite season of all is fall, and I also have another favorite season, which is yarn season. I love this hoodie, it's so warm. And if you want to check out these hoodies for yourself, I think I have hoodies, t-shirts, and possibly coffee mugs that say #yarn season. They're just super cute. I will leave a link in the description below. You guys can check that out. It helps me out so much when you guys order anything from my merch store or check out my Amazon links or my Knit Crate link. It just helps me because I get a small percentage of every sale, and that helps really fund the channel and the giveaways, because like I said, I don't have yarn companies sponsoring me or giving me yarn to give to you. So it just helps out a lot. So check that out if you want to, and I will be announcing a winner on Tuesday. I believe it's September 10th. Yeah, it's September 10th, 2019. I will announce the winner of this giveaway. I do it by using the YouTube comment random picker, and that's why I ask a question. You guys answer it, and then we just pick from the comments. So that's how I pick the winner. And yeah, so that video will be out Tuesday, September 10th, 2019. So again, US resident, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on, and answer the question, which is your favorite season? Spring, summer, fall, or winter? And that is going to be it for today. That was our giveaway Friday number 6, and it's outside. So I hope you guys don't mind this video because it is done outside, and that's it. So until Tuesday, September 10th, 2019, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.